Welcome to the fascinating world of woodworking technology. Today, we're exploring the Wood Lathe Machine, one of the most important tools used for shaping and crafting beautiful wooden products with precision and efficiency. A Wood Lathe machine is a specialized woodworking machine designed to rotate a piece of wood at high speed, while cutting tools are used to shape it into the desired form. This process is known as wood turning and has been used for centuries to create decorative and functional wooden items. The operation begins by securely mounting a piece of wood between the headstock and tailstock of the lathe machine. Once the machine is switched on, the wood starts spinning rapidly. The operator then carefully uses cutting tools, chisels, and gouges to remove material and create smooth curves, detailed patterns, and precise shapes. Wood lathe machines are commonly used to manufacture table legs, chair legs, stair balusters, bowls, vases, candle holders, baseball bats, wooden handles, and decorative furniture components. The machine allows craftsmen to transform simple pieces of timber into attractive and valuable products. One of the biggest advantages of a wood lathe machine is precision. Because the wood rotates evenly, it becomes easier to create perfectly symmetrical shapes. This level of accuracy is difficult to achieve using hand tools alone. Another major benefit is efficiency. A wood lathe machine can complete shaping and turning tasks much faster than traditional manual methods. This helps increase productivity while maintaining high-quality results. Modern wood lathe machines often include advanced features such as variable speed controls, digital displays, automatic feeding systems, and enhanced safety mechanisms. These features allow operators to work more accurately and comfortably. Safety is an important aspect of wood turning. Operators typically wear protective glasses, dust masks, and appropriate safety equipment while working. Proper machine setup and tool handling help ensure safe and efficient operation. Today, wood lathe machines are used in small woodworking shops, furniture factories, artisan workshops, and large manufacturing facilities around the world. They play a key role in producing both custom-made and mass-produced wooden products.